How's it going, everyone? This is Sean with the Scale Model Car Guy channel with the Bilge Rat Build My Ride update. This will be update number 3, I think is what it is. But before I show y'all what I've gotten done so far, I want to give a big shout out to Big Charlie's Model Car Garage. He sent me his shop card, and I'll work on it one of these days and get some out to you guys, okay? And then I want to give another shout out to a RC guy. His name's Trevor Lyle. Y'all need to check his page out and give him a like and subscribe. Alright guys, let me turn this camera around and I'll show y'all what I've got done so far. Alright everyone. Okay, y'all know what I'm working on. I'm working on the Porsche right here, the FUJIMI Porsche, and this is what I've gotten done so far. That, my friends, is the engine. I've got it all wired up. You can see there. 4 plug wires for each head. Look at that. Got pressure plate back there, clutch, whatever it is, you know, the back of the fan, carburetor. Look at that. Let's let y'all see that. I hope that camera's focusing real good. Take a picture of that. There she is. Let's see if y'all can see that real good or not. She's a good looking engine. This is what I've gotten done so far on the back swing axle. I got the, I don't know if you can see, I got the hub. You can see right there, looking there. Got a throwout bearing in the transmission. Alright. That's what I've gotten done so far. I've got the interior painted. I still got to do some painting in there and everything, but that's what I've gotten done so far. There's the back, which you're not really even going to see the back seat. There's the seats. And there's the body. I got the body painted and foiled. Let y'all see that. See. Still got to put the decals on it, of course. But you can see she's coming along. But that's all I've gotten done so far. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.